Hey everybody, Leslie's awesome here. You've got 60 seconds. So let's make them count. Here's today's mental health tip. His jaw was tight, fists clenched. He was ready to snap, but he caught it, stepped into the trailer, ran cold waters over his hands. 3 minutes, came back out calmer. Strong starts with self-awareness. And that physical check-in helped reset the foreman's nervous system. When the pressure spikes, step away. Cold water, long breath, small shift equal big reset. Until next tip, take care, stay strong, and keep being awesome.